Woodworking business online. How to attract more leads and sales to your local business. If you operate a woodworking business serving a local area, online marketing should be a priority. These days most buyers begin their search for custom-made kitchens, libraries, bars, and more, online. With purposeful marketing, your business can show up where and when your best potential customers start looking. You want to be able to enter the conversation going on in your prospect's mind, and be the answer, or solution, they seek. There are two properties you should develop, in order to build your business. 1. First and foremost, you need to build a website. This serves as your home base, online. You only need a few pages to get started. Then, add quality content that's perfectly targeted to your audience, over time. 2. Claim your Google My Business listing. This is what gets you into Google Maps, and the listing is 100% free and available to any business, with a real street location. Simply search for Google My Business and sign up for your own page. Google will mail a postcard to your street address, for confirmation. Once confirmed, you can begin to build out your listing, and that's where the magic happens. But a Google Maps listing is only useful when your business shows as one of 3 companies listed on the front page. To get listed in Google Maps requires that you do several things after claiming your Google My Business listing, including 1. Build out your GMB page with basic content. Create your own company listings on popular directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Axiom, Yellow Pages, and more. Ensure that key business information shared on these citation sites is exactly the same as your GMB listing and your website. Continue building these authority links to your site from quality sources. Encourage clients to leave you positive reviews on Google and Yelp. With focused attention and persistent action, you can outrank any competitor. How much online marketing you have to actually do, largely depends on how competitive the woodworking business is in your specific area. Stick with it long enough, and your business will grow. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. For more help building your woodworking business, be sure to click the link below.